I just picked up a tumbler that hopefully won't splash on me. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this tumbler, and it is big, 30 ounces. And the reason I picked up this one is because of the top. Now, I've had 30-ounce tumblers before. They're great for keeping drinks cool in hot weather and drinks hot in cool weather. And one of the things that I did here recently was I took a drink out on the golf course with me, and I wanted it to be insulated. But what I figured out is the flip top that it came with was a little less than ideal. I would pop it open, drink, and then I'd have to kind of close it back down. Sometimes it would spray just a little bit of that drink out, so I picked up this. This is not by one of the big brands here. It says like, you might chef. I might chef, but you might chef too. Maybe it's Umite chef, something like that, but doesn't really matter. They're all kind of the same thing. It's got this navy blue paint on it. It did come in a variety of colors. A lot of them were a little bit too feminine for me, so I thought this would be nice. Obviously, the stainless steel is visible up here where they stopped the painting. You know, it's pretty big. Will hold a lot of chicken soup, coffee, or your drink. But it has this polycarbonate top here, and you can see that, pull it off, we get this big silicone ring there, so it's going to be nice and airtight. It shouldn't leak out any of your drink. But what is interesting here is the little sliding top. So I thought this might be superior to the flip top that I was using, and you can see it's actually very resistive. So we have an opening there, and I can open this up like this, take my drink, and then close it back up. I don't have things snapping closed. I don't have things snapping open, maybe spraying out the coffee, staining my shirt like that. So if I want to take a drink, boom, open that up, and then when I'm done, close it back up. So make sure it stays cool. The other thing I really like about this is, you know, particularly when I had my coffee in here and it was a little hot, these things work so well that the coffee really never cools off. So one of the things I can do here is just open that up and let it vent a little bit and hopefully cool off a little bit as well. So you can certainly do that, but I'm not even sure how this little slider works. It looks like maybe there's a little silicone pad underneath the slider right here. So that's what's causing the resistance there. So yeah, actually, if I kind of push my fingernail in through the hole there, I can feel it squishing. So that's what kind of holds it in place, as well as provides a little resistance, as well as plugs up this hole so you don't have anything leaking, splashing out of it. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Little tab right here to pry that open, but I would say that this looks like a winner, and it was very cheap. If you want to pick this up, particularly because of this top, and if you want to pay 80% less than some of the big premium brands in the space and basically get the same tech, then I think you're a smart shopper. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. They tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.